All right, you guys, it's soup season and I am here for it. This is a fun recipe for taco soup, and it's really easy to put together as a freezer meal or to make on the night that you want to cook it. So basically in the rock crock, I did my ground meat in the microwave and did it for 5 minutes, checked it, did it for 2 more minutes, and then it was ready to go. So you're gonna use the mix and chop and break it apart so it's perfect for a spoonful. And then your canned items you're gonna add to the bag. I'm doing Rotel, and that's where the spice level can be medium or hot, depending on what your preference is. Then you're gonna add any kind of beans. I like black beans for a taco soup vibe, and that's what I usually go to. So chipotle is my seasoning of choice. If you have any kind of taco seasoning, you can put in there about 2 tablespoons, and then chopped onion, ready to go. Now the cool thing with this recipe is it can go in a pressure cooker, it can go in a slow cooker, or you can put it on the stove top to nibble off of through the day. Add some ranch, and this is ready to go. I love this for feeding a crowd or meal prepping for the week, and it is delicious. Let me know what you think.